this video, we're gonna check out these pacifier storage bags made of silicone. They have zippers. They will keep your pacifiers nice and clean and away from germs. You can hook these on strollers or anything else. Anyways, stay tuned for the whole video. What's up, everybody? So if you have a little guy, he's 19 months old, you got to carry his pacifiers either in plastic bags to make sure no germs get in, or paper towels. Sometimes they do end up in your pocket and you never know what you're gonna get on them, so you always got to constantly wash them. So we found these a little too late, but we found them, right? What is this thing? Whoa, it's a purse for Mr. Zane. No, so these are little silicone purses for his pacifiers. So they have a zipper and they're pretty big and they can store more than one pacifier, but I'm going to show you. See that? So you can have one pacifier per, and there's a nice silicone handle. I wouldn't say it's tear-proof, but it's pretty strong. And you can attach it to stroller, bag, you can loop it. So there you have it. Nice big silicone. It's not just for pacifiers. You could put little candies, little cookies in here, or anything else. Thanks for watching. And yeah, let's put the other one in there.